click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Free Hacking Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a password protected folder in Windows 10. So let's begin the tutorial. So first of all, create a new text document in the desktop by right clicking on the desktop and click on new and then text document. So you can see here now a new text document is created into my desktop. So open it. Now you need to type here some text. So I have already created a text file which is some quotes written in this text document. So I just copy all this text and paste it into new text document which I have just created. So paste here. You can also copy paste this text from the download link I have given in the video description. So now you need to assign a password for the folder. So to assign the password, you can see here, type your password here. So you just need to type your password here. So here I type a password 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the password for my folder. You can give any password for the folder. So now click on the file and click on save as. Now type here any name you want to give. So I'll just type here my secret folder. And after the file name, click on dot and click BAT. Now save as type, click all, and now save, click on save. Now close this document, and you can see here one file is created into my desktop, which is my secret folder. Now run this or open this file. You can see here by clicking this file, one folder is created which is named as locker. Now you can open this folder and put or paste your personal data into this folder which you want to hide or log files into this folder. Now after you have saved or paste all your files and folder into this folder, locker folder, close this folder again and run this folder file again to hide or log this folder. So now it's asking, are you sure want to log the folder, yes or no? So type Y for yes and press enter. You can see here folder is now hidden. Now to get this folder again, run this file again. Now to unhide this folder, you need to type your password which you have given in the text document, that is 1 2 3 4 5. So you need to type the correct password. So without typing the correct password, this folder will not unhide or you will not able to access this folder. So press enter. You can see here folder is now visible. So in this way you can create a folder with a password protections in Windows computer. So to hide this folder again, run this file and press Y and press enter, and this folder is hidden now. So if you are finding this video information useful for you, click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification. And lastly, thanks for watching my video.